We are trying to prevent outages by pruning trees before they become a problem. We have to keep the trees away from the power lines across the island, really. So we're doing a lot of the lines that you see along the road and the ones that cross over the mountain. Daily, we field a lot of requests, both internally and externally, asking to either inspect the tree or to assist with one of our projects where they need tree trimming for, say, a structure replacement or a pole replacement. And we have to then prioritize that with our ongoing routine maintenance work. We have what we call a cycle. So we start in one neighborhood and pretty much go around the island. Typically, we would like it to be 18 to 24 months. Keeping on that routine cycle is the best thing that we do as far as reducing outages. By OSHA regulations, if a tree or any part of the tree that you're working on is within 10 feet of the lines, that you need what we call either a line clearance qualified arborist or incidental line clearance arborist, so they can work on that tree safely. So when we prune, we don't always prune to that 10-foot distance. We're always pruning to try and maintain proper clearances to our lines for our cycle length. Sometimes we prune a little bit farther, or depending on the species of the tree or how we interact with the customer, they might say we can prune a little bit more or less. Call our hotline if you have any questions. It's at 543-7836. I mean, we don't want people getting injured, either doing it themselves or hiring somebody that doesn't know how to work safely around the lines.